Hi all, today we are going to see about interesting facts. So, the first question, why is sandwich called by this name? Everyone has his or her own favorite sandwich. The tasty dish got its name from Sandwich, a town in England. In 1762, John Montagu, the fourth Earl of Sandwich, was too busy playing cards to stop for a meal, even though he was hungry. He wanted some food that could be eaten without leaving the table or using a fork or knife. The legend goes that he ordered a waiter to bring him a slice of roast beef between two slices of bread. Thus, the Earl was able to continue his game while eating from the table. And from that incident, we have inherited a quick and easy snack that we call as sandwich. Why aren't the letters on a computer keyboard in alphabetic order? The keyboards of computer are adapted from the keyboards of typewriters. First generated typewriters keyboards position keys in alphabetical order, but this arrangement didn't work well because some combination of letters occur frequently in English. As typists become fast, they began to press the nearby keys at great speed, ultimately jamming the keys. To solve this problem, a new keyboard was introduced. The letter keys in this keyboard are positioned in such a way that commonly used combination letters are far apart. Thus, the keys wouldn't get jammed, even if typist types fast. This was the beginning of QWERTY keyboard. Later, when computers were invented, the same keyboard were adapted because most people were familiar with it. Why do snake eggs grow in size before hatching? When a chicken or any other bird lays an egg, the egg stays at the same size even though the bird inside is growing until it's ready to hatch. But a snake eggs grow along with the developing unborn snake inside it. The shell of a snake's egg is not hard like a bird's egg. It is soft and leathery, so it can grow and stretch as the snake grows inside it. Some eggs are found to be 1/3 larger when they hatch than they were laid. Moreover, snake's eggs have many other peculiarities too. Would you believe that if you drop a snake's egg from 3 feet height, it wouldn't break? It would probably bounce. The baby snake inside the egg develops a sharp tooth on its upper jaw. When the time comes for the egg to hatch, the baby snake uses the tooth to rip out the leathery shell. Then it slithers out. Soon afterwards, the tube drops off, never to grow back again. And at last, thank you all for spending your time for watching this video.